Alright, today I got a Master Lock ProSeries 70, what is it? 7040. It's a 5-pin lock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's one of their newer ProSeries. I haven't picked one of these before, so I thought I'd try it out, see if they made any improvements. Just using a the pry bar light and a hook 1 and 15 thousandths. Not really getting a lot of defined feedback or anything like that. It's kind of sloppy in here. Alright, that's it. It's a, I think it's a dead core. I didn't really notice before I was, no, there's some spring tension. It's actually a pretty good amount of spring tension, but there's no spring on the locking paw, as you see. You have to physically pull it open. It's the ProSeries 7040. And you can open these. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pause this and go grab my Allen wrenches. Alright. Let's try this. This might be too big. Yep. Nope. Alright, there we go. Okay, nothing spectacular. Just a tiny little American core. This thing's greasy as hell. Okay. go. Okay, all standard, of course, these tiny little key pins. One is a spool, two's a spool, three's a spool, four's a spool, five's probably a standard. Yeah, serrated standard. Okay. You see 1 through 4 are spools, 5 has those tiny little serrations. I don't even know if you could really, where is it? There we go. I don't even know if you could really call those serrations. You can't even feel them when you're picking. And then regular key pins for the rest. Alright, well that's all I have for you on the new Master Lock Pro Series 740. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you like the video, please subscribe, and remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching.